should build a society that is a lot more forgiving. A society that embraces change in people and within itself, and has the courage to keep changing.
And I think art has a place in creating change.
Art helps people to think different, feel different, and act different.
We can learn from each other and learn from our differences.
To be fully present and to be fully who we are.
If we can take this silence with us wherever we go, creation can be magical.
What we do should add value to the world.